I'm inviting you to move your body with me. In this video, we are talking about transportation and travel, ways we can get from one place to another place. Right, before we start, I just want you to say out loud as many ways of travel or transportation you can think of. Any way we can get from one place to another place. Go, say it out loud. Okay, now when we get to it, anytime we say one of the ideas you had, give yourself a pat on the back. Let's start with a warm-up. As we warm up our bodies, we are also going to warm up our voice. Reach over to one side and say, ooh, ooh, ooh. Reach to the other side and say, ah, ah, ah. Bend your knees, open your hands and your mouth real wide. Say, wow, 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 wow. And now you're going to do and say, twist, twist, twist. Other side, twist, twist, twist. Let's speed that up. Ooh, ah, wow, 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 wow. Twist, twist, again. Ooh, ah, wow, 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 wow. Twist, twist, again. Ooh, ah, wow, 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 wow. Twist, twist. A very easy way to get from one place to another place. I see people outside my window doing it right now. Go for a walk. All right, everyone, let's go for a walk. You can walk in place. You can walk like you're in a hurry, like you have somewhere you have got to be very fast. Gotta go so fast. You can walk slow, like you're just going for a stroll. No hurry in the world. And walk like you're in a hurry. You've got somewhere to go very fast. You have to be there. Well, you know what? If you have to be somewhere very fast and walking just isn't cutting it, we could run. We could get some wheels involved. Does anyone out there have a scooter or a skateboard? Let's pretend to scoot. You're going to push off one foot, just like you're scooting or skateboarding. Push, 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 push the other leg. Push, bend one knee and push with the other leg. Push, 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 push. Does anyone know any cool tricks you can do on your scooter or skateboard? Sometimes I like to do this for fun, or if I need to get somewhere fast, I like to ride a bike. Let's pretend we're riding a bike. What maybe we'd get in a boat and row your boat. And do side to side. You can do in the middle. Does anyone out there know any songs about rowing your boat? If you do, you can go ahead and sing it. Maybe you need someone to drive you across town to where you need to go. I think we should try to hail a taxi. Hail that taxi! 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 If the place you're going is far, far, far away, maybe you want to take an airplane. Or we could get on the choo-choo train. Come on everybody, let's get on the choo-choo train. Here we go. Chugga, 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 choo-choo. A little bit faster now. Chugga, 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 choo-choo. Let's go as fast as you can. Chugga, 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 All right, we gotta go slow to bring it into the station. Here we go, super slow. Chugga, 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 choo, choo. So many different ways to travel. Did we say some of the ideas that you had earlier? Now it's time to cool down. We're going to use our hands as we take a deep breath to scoop the air around us. Again. Last one. Now give yourself a squeeze and a pat on the back. And go ahead and tell yourself something that you like about yourself. Here's an idea for something you can do later. We imagined lots of different ways to travel, but I'm curious, if you could go anywhere, where would you travel to? Why would you want to go there? And how would you get there? How would you travel there? Draw a picture of where you'd want to go. Thank you so much for moving your body with me and exploring different ways we can travel.